at work right now, and look what we brought today. Ecoflow Max 2000. Might as well use your amenities. You can plug this in the outlet and charge it as well. We only got about 41 minutes left. It charges much faster through your outlet. So, like if the sign ain't out or anything, you could take this to work if you wanted to. Plug it in their outlet. Right now, it's inputting 633 watts. It was inputting 1500 watts. It's cool. It's slowing down. That's because it's almost at 100. Yeah, we was playing. We used pretty much all of it yesterday or last night. It went down to about 19%, but now it's back at 80 or 87. Yeah, this thing's a beast. So far, I'm loving it. I think I had it for about 6 months now. Let's take a look at the back of it. So you got plenty of outlets back here. Let's move this out the way. You got plenty of outlets. You can pretty much plug up and do whatever you want with it. For sure. I think this is a washer or dryer outlet. No, that's the cigarette lighter outlet. You could plug up a washer or dryer here, I think. That's where you connect the solar. I don't know what that is. I haven't even tried that yet. Or you could do a fast charge or slow charge. There are a couple other little plug-ins right there, whatever that is. And you got plenty of options. I mainly use it for gaming and stuff. So when I'm gaming like heavily, always gonna have to need a charge. But other than that, I don't even need to have it charged at 100% all the time, every day, all day. You don't want to do that anyway. You don't want to discharge it either. I've got 41 minutes left. From about 19% to where it's at now, only took about an hour 20 minutes. It started off with 1500 input watts. Now it's at 505, I'm assuming, because we're at 89%. So that's pretty much almost at 100. Connect the Wi-Fi to your phone so you can see everything from your phone without actually having to walk up to this and checking it out. Alright, so we made it to 100% from about 19% in about 2 hours. It says we got 99 hours left. That's because nothing's plugged up to it. But I'll probably be playing the game tonight again, PS4. Plus the internet connected. And also the projector. So that's going to change to about 250 watts at the bottom right there, which will give you about 10 hours straight of playing the game with the projector and the internet connected. But of course, I'm not going to play 10 hours straight. I'll probably play for about 3 hours. And that'll drop this 100% to around 70. Well, the sun might be out tomorrow a little bit, so it'll be getting charged up. Right now, the sun's hitting around 10:30, 11 o'clock. Plus, I usually have the internet connected up to it all day, every day. With the internet just plugged up to it, it runs at probably around 37 watts. Probably not going to boil any water or anything, so that's saving even more power. I use a water kettler. And the water kettler is about 1400 watts, but that's only for like 2 minutes. So you'll probably lose 2% with the water kettler. But yeah, 2 hours of charging through an outlet when the battery's down. So between 0 and 19%, 2 hours through the outlet. Now on a good sunny day, from 0 to 100, and you want to use your solar panels, that'll probably charge in about 6 hours, 7 hours, which isn't bad either. Anyways, like, subscribe, comment, you know what to do.